Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. If we want to find the speed, we need to find Vt. That means, Vt. That means we need to do first derivative of RT. So this one we have number 2 cos5t. This one we have negative number 4 sin4t. This one we have negative number 5 sin5t. Because they want to find the speed, so we need to find the magnitude of Vt. So we have the square root of this one to the power of 2 plus this one to the power of 2, and the last one to the power of 2. Now we have t equals to b over 2, so we put b over 2 going here. That means this one should have b over 2, this one too, and this one too. So we calculate this one, and we have the square root of number 29. This is the end. Thank you for watching.